Bonjour et bienvenue à apprendre le français avec Lydia. Hello and welcome to Learn French with Lydia. Today we are learning about the family, la famille, la famille. And this lesson is going to have three parts. Part 1 is talking about the immediate family, and then part 2 will talk about the extended family, and part 3 will get just more of what we are not able to get in part 1 and part 2. So let's go into the basic knowledge that we need in the immediate family. So in the family we have mother, father, and sometimes I hear us calling them daddy, mommy. Okay, so let's start with le père, le père, papa, papa, la mère, la mère, maman, maman. So papa and maman is the ones that we use in English, mommy, daddy, and all that. So next we have le frère, le frère, that is the brother, la soeur, la soeur. Okay, and then we can have, we name them. What are they? What is father, la mère, and what is le père? They are les péraux, les péraux, the parents. So how will les péraux refer to their children? So we have le fils, that is the son, la fille, that is the daughter, and sometimes here it means also the girl, the daughter or the girl. We have our parents, and then we have children in French. Les enfants. Les enfants. That is the children, or we can call them les bébés. Les bébés. Les bébés is many babies, and then we have la bébé. La bébé. That is one baby. Okay. Now we want to make simple phrases using the vocabulary of the immediate family that we've just learned. We can introduce our family members. Les membres de la famille. The members of the family. We can introduce them. We can say, mon père s'appelle Johnson. Mon père s'appelle Johnson. My father is called Johnson. Ma mère s'appelle Josephine. Ma mère s'appelle Josephine. Then we can talk about what our family members do. We can say, mon père est médecin. Mon père est médecin. Ma mère est professeure. Ma mère est professeure. Mon frère est étudiant. Mon frère est étudiant. So more examples in our family, we can say, j'ai 3 frères. I have 3 brothers. J'ai 2 sœurs. Or, if you're alone in your family, you're going to say, je suis fille unique. Or, if you're a boy, you are going to say, je suis fils unique. Now, let's say them slowly. J'ai 3 frères. J'ai 2 sœurs. Je suis fils unique. Je suis fille unique. have. So, what if we are talking to our parents? We can ask them, avez-vous des enfants? Avez-vous des enfants? Avez-vous des enfants? Then they can say, oui, nous avons deux enfants. Oui, nous avons deux enfants. Yes, we have two children. Une fille et un fils. Une fille et un fils. Qui est l'aîné dans votre famille? Qui est l'aîné dans votre famille? Who is the oldest in your family? Or, qui est le cadet dans votre famille? Qui est le cadet dans votre famille? So we learned three terms here. We have only child, only son or only daughter. We say fils unique, fille unique. That's only son and only daughter. And we've also learned l'aîné, the oldest, cadet, youngest. Now I'm going to ask you questions and you can answer in the comment section, or for your own practice you can just answer on your own, okay? So I'm going to ask you, comment s'appelle ta mère? And then your response should start with, ma mère s'appelle. What is her name? Can you construct a whole sentence to say, my mother is called? Okay, I want you to do the same for mon père s'appelle, mon frère s'appelle, and ma soeur s'appelle. Alright, that is the introduction for your family.